Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at what is a meta class. And in object-oriented programming, a meta class is a class whose instances are classes. And while ordinary classes create objects, meta classes create classes, allowing developers to customize class creation at a fundamental level. In Python, the default meta class is type, and understanding the meta classes, how they reveal understanding meta classes actually reveals how object-oriented languages work behind the scenes. So the type meta class in Python, type is a built-in meta class that creates classes. Okay, so when you define a class, Python implicitly uses type to construct it. So here's an example where we say my class is called to type, which will say class underscore name, base class, and then attributes underscore day. So this allows for dynamic class creation at runtime. So custom classes can be created by inheriting from type, enabling you to inject custom behavior into the class creation process. We'll look more into it later in another video.